A series LCR circuit containing a resistance of 120 ohm has an angular frequency of 4 into 10 to 5 radian per second. Okay, it is not in hertz, it is in radian per second. It means omega is given over here. At resonance, the voltage across the resistance and the inductors are, across the resistance it is 60 volt and across the inductance it is 40 volt. Find the values of L and C. At what frequency the current in the circuit lags the voltage by 45 degree. For the first part, that is for the first part where the resonance is occurring, I will draw the circuit diagram. So this circuit diagram goes somewhat like this. This is the current, okay. This will be the voltage across the resistor ER. This will be the EMF across the, this will be the voltage across the inductor. This will be across the capacitor, okay. Across the capacitor it will be in the downward direction, okay. At resonance I can say that EL will be equal to EC, okay. We will find these values later. EL will be equal to EC, we will find these values later. Let us first substitute the values and get the answer. Over here, ER, the voltage over here across the resistor, it is given as 60 volt. So ER will be equal to I into R. So ER is given as 60 volt, will be equal to I over here will be equal to, the current over here is unknown, the resistance is given as 120 ohm. So which implies current in the entire circuit at that at resonance will be equal to 0.5, okay. It will be equal to 0.5, okay. So now so now over here the current across the resistor will be equal to 0.5 ampere, okay. It will be equal to 0.5 ampere. Let us substitute now. Over here it is given that the EMF across the inductance, and across the inductance is given as 40 volt. So E across the inductance will be equal to I into XL, okay. It will be equal to I into XL, which is given as 40 volt, and current over here, the same current will flow, so it will be equal to 0.5 since it is a series circuit, correct. If you read the question, it is given that it is LCR series circuit, so the current will remain same at that instant, into XL. XL will be equal to omega into L, okay. So omega into L over here, so it will be equal to 40, will be equal to 0.5 omega. The angular frequency is given as 4 into 10 raised to 5, okay. So it will be equal to 4 into 10 raised to 5 into L, okay. So now over here it will be equal to 80 divided by 4, which is equal to 20 into 10 raised to minus 5, okay. So 20 into 10 raised to minus 5 will be the value of L, okay. The value of L over here will be equal to 20 into 10 raised to minus 5, okay. So this is the value of L over here. Let us see now. Over here it is given that it is a resonant frequency, okay, or it is resonating. So at resonance, omega will be equal to 1 by root LC. So omega, so when I square this part, omega over here is given as 4 into 10 raised to 5. So when I square that part, it will be equal to 16 into 10 raised to 10 will be equal to 1 divided by L into C. The value of L is given as 20 into 10 raised to 5, or I can say that it is equal to 2 into 10 raised to minus 4 will into C. So C over here will be equal to 1 by 32 into 10 raised to 6. So when it goes in the numerator, it will be equal to 10 raised to minus 6. 1 by 32, it will be equal to 3.125 into 10 raised to minus 6. This is the value of the capacitance, okay. Now I have got the value of L and I have got the value of C, okay. I have got the value of L and I have got the value of C over here. Let us continue with the next part over here. Let us continue with the next part. At what frequency the current in the circuit lags the voltage by 45 degree. Now understand that if I draw the second phasor diagram, this is current and the total voltage, the current lags, it means that the EMF will lead by 45 degree. So this is the total EMF, okay. So I can say that it is equal to EL minus EC, okay. It is equal to EL minus EC, this is ER, okay. So now over here, at what resonating frequency, they have asked at what frequency, sorry, not resonating, at what frequency the current in the circuit lags the voltage by 45 degree. the angle over here is equal to 45 degree. I can say that XL, the EL minus EC divided by ER will be equal to tan 45. Okay, will be equal to tan 45. Now over here tan 45 over here is equal to 1, and the EL minus EC can be written as XL minus XC. Tan 45 over here is equal to 1, so it will be equal to R. Okay, so simply it will be equal to R. Okay, because the current in the series circuit remains same, I can substitute EL as I into XL, EC as I into XC, ER as I into R. So basically XL minus XC should be equal to R. Okay, so it will be equal to omega into L minus 1 by omega C should be equal to R. Okay, so and the R over here is given as, the resistor over here is given as 120. Okay, so when I substitute 120 over here, okay, so omega into L, okay, L in this case will be equal to 20 into 10 raised to 5. I can say it is equal to 200 into 10 raised to minus, or I will simply substitute as 20 into 10 raised to minus 5. Okay, minus 1 by omega into C, or C over here will be equal to 1 by 32 microfarad. Okay, I got the value of C over here, which is equal to 1 by 32 over here on the left hand side, 1 by 32 microfarad. So basically if I substitute 1 by 32 microfarad, 1 by 32 into 10 raised to minus 6, it will be equal to 120. Okay, now when I solve this part I will get a quadratic. Okay, when I solve this part I will get a quadratic over here, and the over here we have to find out for this quadratic we have to find out the value of omega, because over here in this part they have asked what is the value of the omega or angular frequency at which this occurs. So when I solve this part I will get the answer as 8 into 10 raised to 5. Okay, if I solve this part I will get the value of quadratic omega as 8 into 10 raised to 5. The units will be radian per second. At this part the EMF leads the current by 45 degree, or current lags the EMF by 45 degree.